TrueBox TV presents 4 ways to get rich without people skills.
Cool. You want to be rich? You want to make money? You want to be able to retire early and have nice things in your life? Well, you're not going to get them if you continue working a job. There's 4 ways to get rich. And I'm going to tell you exactly how in this video. Now, I'm 30 years old. I'm a multimillionaire. I live on my own horse ranch in Malibu. And what you need to understand about wealth is there are 4 ways to become rich. Listen very closely. The first is real estate. The second is stocks. The third is sales. And the 4th is marketing. Now, there's also a few other ways. You could win the lottery, you could marry a really rich person, or you could inherit it. I prefer marrying a rich person. But if those aren't options for you, then you're gonna have to learn one of these. Now, real estate, what you must understand, takes a lot of money to get into. It takes a lot. A lot of this. Cash. This is what I carry around in my back pocket. Okay? So you need a lot of money if you want to become rich in real estate. Not a lot of time. You have to have good deals. You have to have connections. That's the other thing about real estate is you have to have connections. If you don't know the right people, you're not going to make any money. Okay, let's look at this. Next, stocks. Stocks, you also need a lot of money to get started in. You're going to need money because you need to invest that money down somewhere before you can start seeing a return on that cash. You put down $10,000 here. You put down $10,000. This is what's called a rack. You put $10,000 down and you hope to make $1,000 profit, but you have to start with that $10,000 to hopefully make that extra money profit. Okay, you also need a lot of time to learn how to do stock trading. Okay, you find those winners. Now the third one is sales. Look at this. Look at this. Sales does not take a lot of money to do. You don't need money to speak to someone. You don't need money to approach somebody on the street or approach a friend or a family member or pick up a phone and call somebody. All you need is a lot of time. Look at this. All you need is a lot of time. But there's a problem here. There's a problem. What if you don't know anybody to sell to? Okay? You also need connections. Okay? You need respect. And you need to be talking to people. What if you don't like talking to people? I get tired sometimes. I don't always want to wake up and have to pitch people every day. So what if you don't want to do that? Or what if you're not good at that? Or what if you don't look good? Or what if you're fearful of people's judgment or you get embarrassed? Marketing. Last thing is marketing. Marketing, look at this, does not require much time. Marketing does not require much money. But you have massive leverage. And I can show you right here. Check out, can you show them the money that I've just brought out of my bank account just for these purposes? Okay, look at this. Look at this, come here. This is what I was able to make last month with no employees doing marketing. Here, let's zoom in. Look at that, every single day. This is just one of my marketing, are you getting this? Okay. This is one of my marketing accounts. $10,000, $8,000, $10,000, $20,000, $9,000, $5,000. This is one of my marketing accounts. And this is the amount of money I made last month, okay? That's the amount of money without any employees, without having to talk to anyone, without having to be anywhere, without having to invest a lot of money into stocks that could lose money, into real estate that could lose money. Without any of those things, marketing is a skill that can be learned. Okay? Marketing is a skill that can be learned, but you're not going to learn it in college. You're not going to learn it working a job for someone else. You're not going to learn it failing over and over on your own. The way you are going to learn marketing is from a mentor, or the way I learned marketing was following a mentor, was following a proven system that taught me how to do things. Now, if you are interested in learning marketing and learning how you can learn a valuable skill that will make you real money, I pinch myself every day. Click the link. Click the link on this page and let me show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. You're being given an opportunity right now. You've been watching this video for a couple minutes. You can go back to your old friends that you surround yourself with. You can go back to your job. You can ask your friends and family. You can Google my name, John Crestani. And you can find people that will say, don't worry about learning more. You already graduated college. Don't work your way up in your job. You can talk to all them and they will validate you. Or you can come with me. Hopefully I've shown you proof it works. I've given you the 4 ways to make money. It's your choice which way you take it. Click the link. I started from nothing. I was a medical guinea pig. I spent years and years trying and failing, being embarrassed, being the black sheep of my family, having people tell me that I was pathetic, having girlfriends leave me because I lived, the only apartment I could afford was the spare bedroom of a drug addict. I was pathetic. But you don't have to fail. All you have to do is click the link and I will give you a free 2-hour training. This is my gift to you to show you how you too can buck the trend, can escape the matrix, create freedom for yourself, and earn something that will eventually allow you to retire and be free. Click the link, or else you'll never see me again. Cool.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more true videos like this.